The next generation of submachine gun is here. Introducing the SIG MPX from SIG Sauer, a machine pistol that redefines the category. The SIG MPX is the world's only submachine gun that allows you to change barrel length, caliber, and stock configurations in the field to meet your specific mission requirements. The SIG MPX is the world's first submachine gun that operates with a fully closed and locked rotating bolt system, greatly enhancing operator safety. The SIG MPX employs the SIG Sauer battle-proven gas-operated short-stroke piston system with last-round hold open for unequaled reliability in the field, even under the most adverse conditions. The SIG MPX isn't just one submachine gun. It's an entire system that can be configured for any operation, including a variety of user-configurable suppressor options. Unsuppressed, the ability to accept thread-on silencers, and integrally suppressed. SIG MPX models include the standard SIG MPX, the SIG MPX K compact variant, the SIG MPX P pistol variant, the SIG MPX SD, and the SIG MPX C carbine. Accessories for the SIG MPX include the LE carry bag and the discrete deployment bag, both constructed from high-quality 500 denier nylon. The rugged LE carry bag features a main compartment with adjustable Velcro retention for the SIG MPX and a smaller admin pouch with MOLLE for mounting a triple mag pouch or other accessories. The discrete deployment bag is a single-strap messenger-style monopack that not only holds a SIG MPX, 3 magazines and a pistol, but also accepts a SAPI plate for critical thoracic armor coverage when deployed. The unique closed, fully locked rotating bolt system provides maximum safety in case of bullet or water obstruction in the bore. Snow and ice. Sand. Low temperature. High temperature. NATO mud. Water bore obstruction. SIG Sauer redefines the machine pistol. The SIG MPX is the world's only submachine gun that allows you to change caliber, barrel length, and stock configurations in the field to meet your specific mission requirements, and with all the battle-proven reliability that is a SIG Sauer. The SIG MPX. The next generation of submachine gun is here.